Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft and welcome to my much overdue Wild Edibles food for free video. Firstly I'll have to apologise for that. We're in May now and I didn't do a video for January, February, March or April, so I apologise for that. The reason being, in January and February the items listed in the food for free book were very minimal, and to even find them in the area that I live in was even more difficult, so I just didn't bother. I didn't think it was worth doing a video for. March and April, I'll be honest, I've been really busy with the kids and work, so I just haven't had the chance to get out and do a video, so sorry about that, but here we are, we're out now. It's an absolutely beautiful day. I'm just under the canopy at the moment in the shade because it's really quite warm out there. It's about 18-19 degrees. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, but it's a beautiful day. You can hear all the birds. There you go. So it's a lovely day to get out, so I'm going to have a wander around my local woodland and see what we can find. Right, let's crack on. If you look back to a previous video, I think it might have been November or December, I showed you the goosegrass or cleavers or sticky weed, and it was only about this tall. It was just poking through. Well, this is that same goosegrass. It's all over the place now. A little ladybird there. So that is a wild edible, the goosegrass. We've also got the nettle, of course, which can be used. Boil it up, drink the water afterwards, or just eat the nettles raw after you've boiled them up. Right, okay, here's one of my favourites, the pig nut. Very delicate, with a unmistakable leaf. I have done a video on this several years ago where I actually dig one of these up and actually get the fruiting body or the nut out. It is a laborious process because the root that attaches to the pig nut under the ground is very, very delicate, so you can't just pull these out because it'll just tear off the nut. So you have to follow the root right down to the ground and dig all the way around. Like I say, it takes time, and then eventually you get to the nut. You can peel the outer skin off and you can eat those. You're not supposed to dig these up. They are sort of protected. I just did it the once. I mean, there are hundreds of these around here. They're everywhere. But yeah, they are a really nice plant and just worth knowing about. You can find the pig nut around May to July time. So yeah, you've got plenty of time to look out for these. But they are really nice. One of the benefits of missing 2 or 3 months is when you finally come out, you see a complete contrast in what's out there and what's available. I mean, coming out today, there's so many different things out, not just wild edibles, just plants in general. There's a lot of rustlings going on over there. I'm not quite sure what that is. Oh, it's a buzzard. Massive buzzard. Damn! Damn! I heard that rustling a few steps prior to putting the camera on as well. It must have been down in the undergrowth after something. Yeah, massive buzzard. Ooh, I'm going to have to see if I can try and catch that, not literally, on camera. That's what I mean. So many, you come out and you just see something different every time. Love it. That's just a crow. Right, I'm going to see if I can find this buzzard. This area here, a couple of weeks ago, was covered in bluebells. Now it's just covered in cleavers, goosegrass, or sticky weed, amongst other things. But yeah, that's just a wash of goosegrass. The landscape's changing all the time. This is the hawthorn, which doesn't have berries on at the moment, but you can eat the leaves. I perhaps won't go for that one, but the young leaves have a sort of nutty taste. Not much of a nutty taste to that one. But there you go, something else you can eat. A hawthorn, the young leaves. This is one of my particular favourites. This is the ramson, or wild garlic. And as the name suggests, it has a very garlicky taste to it. So let's find it's all a bit mucky, this stuff. Let's just try a bit further in. We don't want any contamination from the dogs, do we? Let's try a little bit. Very garlicky. It's a shame you haven't got smelly vision, because all the wild garlic down here, you get the aroma. I do like my garlic, and that is very garlicky. So I don't think you could eat a great deal of that, not without stinking everybody out anyway. But yeah, that's the wild garlic, or the ramson. See, it's in flower at the moment as well. And there's loads of it in this wood. This is just by the stream, nice little spot. Now this is another particular favourite of mine. And this one is called Jack by the Hedge, or garlic mustard, which is why it's one of my favourites, because it tastes garlicky. So again, we're going to try and find a piece suitable. I'm not too fussy, to be honest. I'm going to eat all that. just for you viewers, I will eat some of it. Again, it does have a garlicky mustard, not as garlicky as the wild garlic. I might still have some of the wild garlic still lingering. But yeah, it's more of a mild garlicky taste. Not quite as harsh. Quite pleasant. Nice on butties, sandwiches. Very nice. With a bit of cheese. Very nice that. So yeah, that's the garlic mustard, or Jack by the Hedge. When I see this, when I'm out walking with the kids, I always point this one out and say, what's that one? And they always go through hundreds of names. Bob on the tree, Chris by the bridge. And eventually they get it. So they're all learning slowly. It's quite nice, that one. Jack by the Hedge. This of course is the dandelion. Everybody knows this one, or most people. That's the flowering head. And this is the one that has the seeds that get dispersed in the wind. You can eat the leaves, used as sort of in a salad. Obviously wash them first. And the roots can be dug up, roasted and ground and used as a coffee substitute. Autumn is the best time to cultivate the roots because they're a lot fatter at that time of year. So yeah, that's your dandelion. Don't know whether you can hear that chirping. That's the woodpecker. Every now and again you'll hear it tapping. Of course, as soon as I say that, it stops tapping. That's it. That's the woodpecker. And again. Oh, there it is. There it is. Very hard to capture. Go again. Gone. Right, coming towards the end of the walk now. Once again, I do apologise for leaving it so late, but I hope you've enjoyed this video. You've maybe learnt a few different wild edibles, some common ones, some not so common, like the pig nut, or not as maybe more well known as others. If you have your own little, it doesn't have to be massive, if woodland in your area, no matter how big or small, I advise getting out there at different times of year and just seeing the changes and what different plants appear, different wildlife that's out at different times of year as well, and just feeling and sensing the different aspects of the woodland throughout the seasons. I find it fascinating. I love just coming out here. I'm very lucky that this is on my doorstep, and it's quite a good sized woodland. It's varying in wooded areas like this to open sort of moorland, meadows, stream running through. It's not flat, it's hills in places. It's great, I just love it. So yeah, if you've got your own woodland nearby, then check it out if you haven't already. So yeah, as per usual, the Food for Free book, the link will be down in the description if you're interested in that. It's a great little pocket book just to carry around with you. There it is, Collins Gem, Food for Free. It's only cheap, it's only about £5. It's just nice to have with you. If you see something you're not sure of, you can just check it out in the book. Right, I think we're done. Didn't manage to see the buzzard again, unfortunately, but I've just seen the woodpecker, some loads of squirrels, and you can hear the birds are there all the time chirping away, which is nice to listen to as you're walking along. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.